Hello everyone, welcome back to Let Us Reason podcast, where we talk about life. We talk about anything and give everyone a fair chance to express their opinions without being vulgar, disrespectful or hostile. And today I want you all to be a part of the discussion by sharing in the comments. Let me hear your thoughts, let me hear your feelings regarding the topic that we are going to discuss today. And the topic for today is our heroes are crying. Our heroes, I believe, if they can look from behind the grave today, they are sad. They are crying. They're discouraged. My heart is broken and bitter today. One of my friends was slain yesterday in Jamaica. 68 years old. Good person. Hard worker. Community builder. Get up to open his business place as he do all the time. Yet someone could go in, don't know how hard him work to build that business over the years. Demand stuff that they didn't work for. Shot him and kill him. When are these things going to stop? When the bloodshed going to stop? When the killing is going to stop? What it going to take for all of this to stop? What it going to take to make that change? Where people can live in peace and harmony in society without living in fear. When it gonna change? What it gonna take to see a change? Our heroes must be crying. If they could look and see from behind the grave what's happening in society. When I think of our ancestors, what they have been through, what they have endured, so that I could have a voice to talk today. When I think of all the things that they endured for us to be here, they must be ashamed. They must be ashamed of us if they could look from behind the grave and see what's taking place. They didn't fight and gave their life, shed their blood, for us to be killing each other like this. No. It's like life don't have no meaning no more to a lot of people. Life is like human life don't have no meaning to a lot of people. Some of these people are heartless. Some of these people are heartless. Imagine a person get up, go to their business place that they work hard over the years, non-stop to build. Open their business place. You don't think about that person's family who's going to suffer, who's going to weep, who's going to mourn, who's going to ache for a lifetime. You don't think about that person. You're only thinking about what you come to rob. And kill the person who work hard for all of that. You are heartless. You're a heartless being. You lack of empathy. You have no compassion. Your heart is black. Your heart is evil. Darkness is what you live by. What's going to happen in society to make that change where everybody waiting on, desperately waiting on? What going to happen? A lot of people say pray for that change. I am in my 40s. Prayer have been prayed over the years. Every year they have a national prayer breakfast in Jamaica. Jamaica have more church per square mile than any other country in the world. That's what they said. So people are praying. My friend that they killed was a person who prayed. And these things still happening. To live in fear is not living. It's not. And a whole lot of people in Jamaica right now living in fear. And they don't do anyone anything. And they're wondering if they are next. A lot of persons who I know of lose their life through crime and violence by the gun. Our heroes must be crying to see that our nation is dying. Rooted in corruption, crime and violence. Where is the love that we should have as a people? Where is the gratitude that we should show our ancestors, those who fought and died for us so that we could be free? Where is the gratitude? Every time I think about my ancestors, the more gratitude I show them for enduring so that I could be here, so that you could be here. A lot of people in society, they don't want to work. No, they don't want to work. They wait until somebody go and work hard, put themselves in the place where they can achieve and acquire stuff. They wait until those persons work hard. They rip them down and take it away from them. Kill them and take it away from them. You have no heart. Enough is enough, man. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. A lot of innocent people lose their life who is not mixed up and tangled in corruption just at the wrong place at the wrong time. Or if a person said, if I can't catch Kwaku, I catch him shot. Somebody do you something wrong, and because you cannot catch that person, you go and kill an innocent person who don't know nothing about what you and the person have going on. That's wrong. I don't know what's going to happen to my country. Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, land we love, is paradise. The land is paradise. I'm not talking the system. Jamaica land is paradise. That's why you have people by the thousands coming in every year from all different countries to get a little piece of that paradise. Jamaica land is paradise. Rivers, streams, waterfalls, so many scenery, the beaches. People leave from all over the world to get a little piece of that paradise. But the system in Jamaica is like hell. The crime and violence and the killing taken away from such a beautiful paradise. People should be able to walk around in their country free, not living in fear, not looking over their shoulder, not getting killed because they're at the wrong place at the wrong time. They should. Jamaica need an overall. I don't know what can be done to make that change that we so desperately need. I don't know. Too much corruption. Too much corruption. And people don't want to work. A lot of people don't want to work. They want to leech on other people who working and killing themselves, slaving themselves to acquire their stuff. And then somebody go and kill them and take it from them. That is wrong. That is wrong. We need a change. It cannot go on like this. Enough is enough. It need to stop. We need peace in the island. Any means necessary. But to have peace, it starts from the top. Get rid of the corruption. And make a country where the basic necessities of life is easily achievable by everyone. Because I know a lot of people there suffering. And sufferation put a lot of people to do stuff that they would normally do. Thank you guys for listening. Let us continue to hope for the best in our little beautiful island of Jamaica, land we love. Hope for the best. If everyone come in one accord there with one goal, one focus, one mindset, I'm not talking some, everyone, whether you're Christian or non-Christian, religious or non-religious, come together and focus on one goal to root out all the corruption, all the murderers out of Jamaica. If everybody come together on one accord, I believe it possible. I believe it can be done. Bless up yourself. Stay safe.